I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming Windows version and the exact fingerprint reader model so drivers match. Open Settings and go to Accounts, then Sign In Options. Once done, plug in the reader if external and sign in with an administrator account so you have permission to change drivers and biometric settings. Make sure you have a PIN set in case fingerprint enrollment fails. This lets you test lock/unlock behavior without delays and prevents being locked out during troubleshooting. Next, open Device Manager and locate the biometric device. Right-click to update driver automatically or uninstall, and then scan for hardware changes to reinstall. Meanwhile, open Services, find Windows Biometric Service, restart it, and set Startup to automatic so it runs reliably on boot. Once done, run Windows Update and any OEM fingerprint utility to ensure compatibility. These steps resolve most driver service conflicts. If enrollment still fails, retry after a full reboot to clear transient issues. Finally, remove all saved fingerprints and re-enroll each finger slowly, angling the finger to capture edges. This improves matching reliability. Before enrolling, gently clean the sensor and your finger so oils or debris do not cause poor reads, and make sure the PIN works to validate sign-in. If problems persist, check Event Viewer for biometric errors and rollback to a previous OEM driver version or install the vendor's latest package. One key tip: temporarily disable fast startup in Power Options if hardware fails after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.